Welcome to Brain Booster. Have you ever wondered about the mysteries hidden within the ancient city of Chichen Itza? This complex of Mayan ruins, a testament to a once vibrant civilization, stands proudly in the northern half of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. In its prime, Chichen Itza was a bustling city, teeming with a diverse population of Mayan people, their numbers extending well into the tens of thousands. The city's core stretches over an area of approximately 5 square kilometers, with smaller-scale residential architecture extending beyond that. The exact time frame of when the construction of Chichen Itza began remains a topic of study among archaeologists. However, historical records suggest that the city was in its early phases of development around the period from 600 to 750 AD. The growth and development of Chichen Itza spans several centuries, with most estimates putting the city at well over 1,500 years old. Historical records show that Chichen Itza was a major focal point in the northern Maya lowlands from the late Classic through the Terminal Classic and into the early portion of the post-Classic period. The diverse Mayan population that resided here came from all areas of the Yucatan Peninsula, each group bringing with them their unique architectural styles. This led to a rich and varied cityscape, reflecting the styles seen across central Mexico and the Puc and Chichen styles found in the northern Maya lowlands. In the mid-16th century, the city of Chichen Itza fell under Spanish rule. Yet, the echoes of the city's ancient inhabitants can still be heard in the ruins that remain, and the city's foundation, laid by the ancient Mayans, marks the beginning of a grand civilization. So, the foundation of Chichen Itza was laid by the ancient Mayans, marking the beginning of a grand civilization. What made Chichen Itza a thriving city of the ancient Mayan civilization? Well, let's delve into the architectural marvels and cultural influences that made this ancient city a beacon of the Mayan civilization. Chichen Itza, at its zenith, was a melting pot of the Mayan culture, with people from all corners of the Yucatan Peninsula calling it home. This diversity is reflected in the city's architecture. Styles seen in central Mexico blended with the Puc and Chichen styles of the northern Maya lowlands, creating a unique architectural tapestry that is distinctly Chichen Itza. Each structure, each stone tells a tale of a civilization that was both diverse and unified. But what sparked the rise of this city? The answer lies beneath the surface, in an underground source of fresh water known as the Stolac cenote. This cenote, a natural sinkhole, provided a lifeline for the city's inhabitants. Fresh water is a precious commodity in the Yucatan's dry climate, and the Stolac cenote's presence likely played a key role in the founding and growth of Chichen Itza. The city's layout, too, reveals the ingenuity of the Mayans. The central plaza, dominated by the towering pyramid of Kukulkan, was surrounded by other administrative and religious buildings, reflecting the city's hierarchical societal structure. Beyond these central buildings, the city extended outwards into residential areas, where the majority of the populace lived. The Mayans' understanding of astronomy, their complex writing system, and their sophisticated calendar are all etched into the city's structures. The alignment of the buildings with celestial bodies, the intricate carvings on the walls, and the cyclical nature of the city's architecture all point to a civilization that was far ahead of its time. And so, Chichen Itza, with its diverse architectural styles and strategic location, was a testament to the brilliance of the Mayan civilization. A civilization that thrived, innovated, and left behind a legacy etched in stone for us to marvel at centuries later. At the heart of Chichen Itza stands the magnificent Pyramid of Kukulkan. This colossal structure, also known as El Castillo, is the tallest monument in Chichen Itza, reaching a height of 30 meters or 98 feet. Constructed by the Mayan people between the 9th and 12th centuries, this pyramid is a testament to the architectural ingenuity and cultural prominence of the ancient Mayans. The Pyramid of Kukulkan, named after the feathered serpent god of the Mayans, is a step pyramid with 9 square terraces, each one 26 feet high, with a 20-foot temple sitting atop. The design of the pyramid is thought to represent the Mayan calendar. Each of the pyramid's 4 sides has 91 steps, and when you add the platform at the top as a final step, it totals to 365, the number of days in a year. But the Pyramid of Kukulkan is not the only grand structure in Chichen Itza. The city is also home to the Great Ball Court, an ancient sports arena with stone platforms measuring 95 feet in length and 25 feet in height. This court is the largest of its kind in ancient Mesoamerica, a testament to the importance of the ritual ball game in Mayan society. Then there's the Osario Pyramid, a smaller version of El Castillo, and the Temple of the Warriors, a large stepped pyramid fronted and flanked by rows of carved columns depicting warriors. Chichen Itza's status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and its inclusion in the new Seven Wonders of the World are not without reason. The city's architectural marvels, such as the Pyramid of Kukulkan, offer a glimpse into an ancient civilization's cultural richness and technological mastery. The Pyramid of Kukulkan is more than just a structure. It's a symbol of the rich culture and advanced architectural prowess of the ancient Mayans. It stands as a testament to the sophistication of Mayan cosmology and their precise mathematical and astronomical calculations. Today, it continues to enchant and fascinate visitors from all corners of the world. Chichen Itza's legacy extends far beyond its physical boundaries. Its influence permeates modern culture in fields as diverse as architecture, astronomy, and anthropology. The city's architectural feats, particularly the Pyramid of Kukulkan, continue to inspire awe and wonder. This iconic pyramid is more than just a testament to the Mayans' architectural prowess. It also embodies their sophisticated understanding of astronomy and timekeeping. However, due to preservation efforts, climbing El Castillo is no longer permitted. This decision was taken to protect the monument from damage and ensure its longevity, allowing future generations to marvel at its grandeur. Today, Chichen Itza is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new Seven Wonders of the World, drawing millions of visitors each year. Its enduring allure lies not just in its monumental structures, but also in its mysteries, many of which remain unsolved. Chichen Itza stands today as an enduring monument to the grandeur and sophistication of the ancient Mayan civilization, its mysteries still captivating the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.